Okay, to get started, I'm in the Edit tab, and I added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to flip. Now, let's begin by going over to the VFX tab. Then click the plus button next to Settings, and select DVE. Alright, under Components, you'll see both a flip and a flop effect. If you want to flip your video horizontally, drag the flop option onto your clip on the timeline. Okay, and there it flipped my video clip horizontally. But if you have an upside down video, you'll need to go back to that plus button, and this time drag the flip effect onto your clip. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial, so thanks for watching and see you next time.